There is a huge generational shift in the workforce in the power utility business. With an estimated 28,000 jobs deficit across North America, there is going to be a huge opportunity for students to fill that gap in a very short space of time.
In Ontario alone, there are 50 utilities, and every utility has more than one control room. So this program, Electrical Control Room Utility Micro-Credential, is a 40-hour course and introduction to the control room environment.
Currently, there aren't many opportunities for power industry to train staff. It's usually done through apprenticeships and mentorships, which can take years. So in this current crunch right now, there's a huge scramble to find that talent and to train that talent.
So the students in this program will not only simulator or virtual software, but they will create field scenarios where they will solve real-life problems. They will also learn about different protocols, different sensors, troubleshooting skills, and become ready for the real-world applications.
AI, as well as microgrids that are currently coming into place, are having a huge and very rapid change in the way a grid is run. The micro-credential courses are designed to help you understand the changes that are coming into play much quicker and allows you to better step into that industry and also to allow the grid to be run more reliably.
Through our Micro-Credential initiative, Centennial College reached out to the industry partners at the Program Advisory Committee to gather the key skills that are needed, and we tailored them specifically to the micro-credentials. So students and anybody taking a micro-credential will have that opportunity to have that specific knowledge to fill these key roles which we desperately need.